What are the biggest barriers to Hyperloop logistics adoption? Imagine a future where packages zoom through vacuum tubes at speeds faster than airplanes. That's the promise of Hyperloop logistics, but many hurdles stand in the way. Let's explore what's holding this innovative idea back. First, building Hyperloop systems costs a lot of money. You need to create long vacuum tubes, stations, and powerful propulsion systems. These structures are expensive, often costing billions of dollars. Unlike traditional trains or trucks, Hyperloop infrastructure requires specialized materials and precise engineering. This high cost makes investors cautious because it takes years to see a return on investment. Second, the rules and laws for Hyperloop are not yet clear. Since it's a new way of transportation, there are no established regulations. Governments need to create safety standards, environmental rules, and land use policies. Getting approval can take many years because different countries and regions have different rules. This regulatory maze slows down progress and raises project costs. Third, the technology itself still needs to be perfected. Engineers are working on keeping the vacuum environment stable over hundreds of kilometers. They also need to develop reliable pods that can reach speeds over 1,000 kilometers per hour safely. Emergency systems and safety protocols are still being tested. Since many designs are competing, there's no single standard. This uncertainty makes it harder to trust the technology for large-scale use. Fourth, safety is a big concern. Traveling at such high speeds inside sealed tubes raises questions about what happens if something goes wrong. How do you handle a pod malfunction or a tube breach? Developing fail-safe systems and convincing the public that Hyperloop is safe takes time. Without public trust, adoption will be slow. Fifth, operational issues also pose challenges. Hyperloop pods might carry less freight compared to trucks or trains. To move large amounts of goods, you need many pods running frequently. This means building multiple tubes or complex scheduling systems, which adds to costs and complexity. Managing high-frequency operations is a logistical puzzle. Finally, the workforce needs to be ready. Operating Hyperloop systems will require new skills and training. Current logistics and transportation workers are not familiar with this technology. Developing a skilled team takes time and resources. All these barriers mean Hyperloop logistics has huge potential but faces many hurdles. Overcoming high costs, creating clear rules, perfecting technology, ensuring safety, and training staff are essential steps. Governments, companies, and engineers will need to work together to turn Hyperloop from a concept into a real part of our supply chains.